English vocabulary quiz. Common verbs and verb phrases. This quiz contains 20 questions which are designed for the elementary level. By the end of this quiz, you will learn about common action verbs and verb phrases that we use in our everyday lives. Are you ready? Let's get started. I call my friends to talk to them. My wife and I always cook dinner together. Arya does exercise 2 times a week. We go on vacation in the summer. My husband goes to bed very early. Rob goes to work by bus. Maria usually drinks a cup of coffee before work. I play the guitar in a band. I usually listen to music in the gym. My son plays football every weekend. They have breakfast at 6 a.m. My daughter plays video games on weekends. My children often read books and comics. When I send a text to him, he never replies. Our Spanish friend studies English. We take lots of photos when we go on vacation. When we visit museums, my daughter is bored. They don't watch TV very often. Tara wears glasses to take care of her eyes from the sun. I hardly ever send emails to my boss. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, kindly share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in our next videos.